Hello lovely family, good morning from Lebanon. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl here, Pray Grade 5. Guys, today I want to prepare Lebanese hummus for the first time. So guys, please, would you like to join me? Join me, let's get started. So first of all, this is my hummus. I soak it last night, I put in the water. Yesterday evening and this morning, I will just throw the water, wash it, come out and put for this pot and put on fire and boil it. But before then, guys, let me show you how it look like. Yeah, this is how the real hummus is. So it look dry, because if you want to boil it direct like that, it will take a lot of time. That's why I put in the water and leave it overnight, all night. So now I will use it. I'll boil it. So when I boil finish, I will blend it. Then we will mix with this one, tahini. So these are the ingredients for it. Then before we eat, we'll put this olive oil on it. So guys, please now let's just throw the water and wash it nice and put it in the pot. Let's get started. So guys, I have washed finish. So now, as you can see, this way. Finish. So I will go here, open the potty, and just put it here also. And now I just put the water. Okay guys, so now I just place it on the fire, and now I will just put the water. Put the hot water on it. Oh yeah. So I will cover this, guys, and leave it. It will boil, let's say maybe 30 minutes. Then we get back to it. So this one now, I'll put it here, back here, guys. I'll put it back here. Okay. So I still have a lot. I bought a lot of kilos. Guys, sorry, I put this one cinnamon stick. They said when you put in something, you will not get insect on it. So I put it here, and I close it back. Because you see, so hummus is very nice, and it has a lot of benefit in it. So guys, please, if you are watching me, try this food and let's know how it will go from you. I trust you will love it and eat again. So now we are waiting for the hummus to done. Then we will join it back, guys. Let's stay tuned. Thank you. So guys, we have boiled it finish. See? So this is what we get. Let's see. Okay, let's try it. See, so I make it have the not really soft, because I want the texture. So this is the way I want it. See, when you press, it will just a bit hard. And it's soft, but not too soft, half done. So that I can blend it and get the good texture of it. So now, guys, as we finish, let's cover it and blend it. So guys, I forget, before I blend it, I have garlic here and the lemon. I'm using 3 lemon. You can use the taste. It depends the taste you want. You want it so sour or how, so you can use. So this is the lemon. I want to squeeze it and use, and this is my garlic. Yeah, I will peel it. for it. So now we are on process of blending our hummus. So now it's hot, but I will leave it a bit cold because of the blender. It doesn't need hot something. Yeah, so I will leave it cold before I'll start on it. So as I'm waiting, I want to prepare my thyme and my lemon for it. So guys, let's stay tuned for it. Thank you. So guys, now I peel my garlic finish. And I squeeze my lemon juice also. Okay, so now I want to open my tahini. Tahina. So I will open it also. I have to put the phone down. Let's see guys, I have to. Okay guys, I have opened the tahin. Did I say tahin? Tahina. Tahina is if in case you want to buy it and you don't know, it's Tahina. Tahina. So I have opened it and it is 400 grams. So I will use half of it, which is 200 grams. And I have beat my garlic also. See, yeah. So that because already I blend, and the garlic I was using 7, but I find out that it's too much, so I used only 4. I left 3. And the hummus I was using 5 cup of hummus. So 5 cup of hummus. Depend the quantity you want. If you are a lot of people in the house or small, for me only me for my breakfast. So guys, let's put all together and blend them again. Okay, so this is half of it. Okay, and I close. So I put the garlic also and wait for the light. Prepare it one time. So now the tahina go here and the garlic also inside. We'll put a pinch of salt, and but the lemon I will not put now because it's watery. Maybe you can go down from the blender, so I will wait when the light comes. Then we put it and we start blending. Guys, it's nice to eat and it's very tasty, but it's processed. But the process is not too long. It's simple process. I just need patience. So guys, we are still waiting as they take the light. Did I say they take light? Who take light? Who took light? No, nobody. Sorry guys, light off. Yeah, this is the right way to say. So light off. This is Lebanon for you. We always go off light and come on light. Yeah. So let's wait guys. It will soon be back, right back. Thank you for your patience. Yeah guys, still blending, so we have to add more lemon. Small you add. Yeah, as it's mixing, you give it to you see. Wow, but it's still, because we have to blend till it becomes smooth. So I will still blend more. So Habibis, please, I have finished mixing the hummus. So this is, see how it look like. This is the texture we get from it. Guys, you see? Wow, this thing is very sweet and nice. So now I will empty them here in this plastic. Anytime I want to eat, then I will take some from it. This is very nice for lunch, dinner, even breakfast. You just open your bread and you put it inside, you put olive oil on it, you make nice sandwich, and you are ready to go. So guys, please just try it for me and let me know how it goes as you try it. Trust me, you will love it, and it's very nice food to make. So guys, our hummus tahini is ready. Hummus tahini, please try it for me. It's very nice and delicious, and let me know how it goes and how the taste look like for you in the comment section. So guys, thank you so much for joining me, Habibi people, my Habibi family. I love you all. Black woman cooking Lebanese food, hummus, tahini. So now I want to try it and see how it look like. This is my Arabic bread. Let me open it here for you to see it. It's like this normally. This is how it used to come out. We have it big this way. Yeah, this is how our Arabic bread look like actually. So I put it here, and this is the hummus. So all what I need is drop olive oil, just a drop, and not all, to grab my Arabic bread, and just grab it this way with the olive oil, guys, and just have a taste with it. Trust me, it look nice and tasty. And second thing, you can just open this bread, you put the hummus tahina in it, you put olive oil, you can put cucumber, you make sandwich on it and you cut it. You can put tomato, anything, and you are ready to go. So guys, this is how it be.